Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Griffon mount. To embark on this epic adventure, you'll first need to own the Path of Fire expansion. Make sure you've completed its entire story campaign, as this unlocks the initial quest. You'll also need to gather 250 gold, which is essential for purchasing various collection items. A fully mastered Springer mount, especially with high vault, will make your journey much smoother. Once your prerequisites are met, head to the Sunspear Sanctuary, located in the domain of Vabi. There, you'll find the remains of the last Spear Marshal. Interacting with these remains will officially begin your quest, unlocking the extensive Open Skies achievement collections. These collections span across all 5 maps of the Crystal Desert, guiding you through a grand scavenger hunt. The Open Skies collections involve several tasks across the Crystal Desert. On each of the 5 maps, you'll purchase 2 special supply items from heart vendors, costing 25 gold apiece. You'll also participate in various map events and embark on a thrilling hunt for 5 hidden Griffon eggs per map. Once these are complete, you'll seek out 10 ancient Sunspear history books in Cormier's library. With all your collections complete, return to the Sunspear Sanctuary. Place the collected writings on the pedestals surrounding Cormier's statue. This action opens the final story instance, where you'll face a challenging boss. Conquer this foe, and your dedication will be rewarded. You will then officially unlock your very own majestic Griffon mount, ready to soar through the skies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.